Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant graphics driver problem. It's easy. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do, first click here and then type device manager, and after that once you're here click display adapters. Now right click on your GPU driver and then click update driver. Now select second one here and then this one, and now just click next and then go back and go to the next one and just do the same thing here, and that's it. After that go back and type here run, go to percent local app data percent, scroll down, you will find here Valorant, save it, config, and now once you're here delete this folder crash report client and then go back, go to web cache, delete all those folders that you will find here on web cache, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.